think this part here is going to give them the idea what these roads are like.
But this isn't even the bad part.
I know. Just a videotape of it going up and down. Local park.
Yeah.
Where we Cow.
See if windshield washers work.
Cow. Another cow out. Another cow out.
Yeah, they roam loose pretty well, yeah.
Canada.
Oh, yeah, that was it, no.
Oh, there's two up here. Baby and mama.
Hi, Mom.
They're like, we're getting out of here. Grass is greener down this road.
Bad bridge ahead.
Yeah, this is the bad bridge.
Why is this one bad?
Yeah, it says that sign says it is.
There was a big chunk of the bridge out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bad. It said the sign says bridge and bad repair. So we call it the Ocean Bridge.
So where's the hardware store?
It can be.
It's in Nosara.
Oh, it's the other way.
Yeah.